Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this one, I wanted to include 3 DIYs of home spring decoration ideas, but unfortunately that would have taken like 20 minutes and I decided not to do so. For the first one, I needed only a hanger and some colored yarn and obviously some patience. Don't know why, but all my crafts need patience. So you take the hanger, try and make it as round as possible. Don't worry if you can't make it perfectly round, because later on we will cover all those bits that are not quite as we want to. We will create a simple macrame style, making square knots. So we will need to use every 4 strands to make this square knots. As you can see, you have to put one strand over the 2 ones, and then the second one you will put under the 2 strands and the loop created from the first strand. And then after you finish that, you will do exactly the same but with the opposite strand starting first. And you've created square knots. You will have to do the same until you finish all the yarn for the first row. So the first row has been created. For the second one, we will have to take 2 strands from each side and set them apart. This way, when we will take 4 new strands for every square knot, we will be mixing the colors together in the middle. So as you can see, you have pink with purple, and then purple with the green, and green with yellow. That way you will create the pattern. We will do this process a few more rows so we can have like a base before we start decreasing the pattern to create a triangle. When you decide that you want to start decreasing, you will take out every row, you will take out 2 strands. So you will eventually take all of them until you stop. I took 4 at the beginning because I made a mistake, but you only need to take 2 at every row and put them aside, continue with the remaining ones. And you will end up with a pattern just like this. After that, you cut and fray the ends, and first part is done. Next, we will create some pompons to put around the circle. We'll put some next to our macrame pattern, and we'll put some to cover the bits that are not exactly round. And at the end, we'll put some on the top where the hanger part is, so we can create a nice looking decoration without even noticing that it was a hanger before. this is how the completed decoration looks. I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe you'll subscribe to my channel. And I really do hope to see you soon on my next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.